Good morning, folks. I'm Joel Mizell, the owner of the Tree Planters. I am at a house on St. Pete Bay. Well, actually, I guess this is Tampa Bay, but it's a bayou that leads into Tampa Bay on the St. Petersburg side of Tampa Bay. We just planted this Reclinata Palm about a month ago. I'm over here today untying all the heads. I'm going to walk around the tree and shoot a video so you can see what this tree looks like from every angle. The purpose of this video is to tell you that we have many of these trees. This is probably one of the more premier palm trees that you can get. As you can see, it has multiple canes. They always do. This one has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 canes. There's a ladder on the other side of the tree, and I've got to get up close to it to get around it on this side. But we're just going to do what we have to so we can get a video from every side. There's the house in the background. That ladder is 10 feet tall, so that'll give you a little bit of an idea of how big the tree is. I think one trunk on this tree is 12 feet, and maybe the tallest one is about 18 feet. So you get a little idea. So this is a beautiful tree. It's at a beautiful home. Over here to the side, you see these ribbon palms that we planted. And up at the house, you see these curved ribbon palms that we planted. We planted those curved so that they would lean out away from the house. And they are stunning how beautiful they are. Back to the Reclinata, because that's what we're here for, to show you the Reclinata. You get a good idea of how big this tree is. I would say it's about 25 feet tall. I'm going to back up and get around the edge of the pool here. Here's the pool. Let me just show you the view from their backyard. It's almost 360. You're looking out under the mangrove trees to the bay. There's the tree. Let me walk all the way around it, all the way to where I started, so you can get a 360-degree view of this beautiful Phoenix Reclinata palm tree. By the way, a Reclinata is also called a Senegal date palm. See how beautiful this tree is? We're almost back to where we started. And I know that I'm talking a lot, but I want to say everything that I can so you can understand that when you buy one of these, this is what you get. You can get them bigger or smaller, either one. But there you go. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters. Call me about anything you're looking for, and I will get it for you. Thank you.